Hello, welcome back to the channel. Welcome on tours. So I'm just going to take you to one of our favourite bars in, I think it's Funny Bee.
I'm terrible at areas.
But yeah, so I'm just going to take you to one of our favourite bars. We come here often. It's a nice little place to sit, chill. They do beautiful cocktails, really good drinks. They bring you snacks, which is always a bonus for me. Yeah, so I thought I'll take you along and show you. Maybe you've been there before, maybe you haven't. Don't forget to put a thumbs up. It really does help. If you are new to the channel and you like the content, don't forget to subscribe, notifications, all of that jazz. But let's see Wagwan. So that's where we're going. So I've just come up from Port of Cologne, walked around, and it's called Tano's Bar. And we've been there many occasions, and I realised we haven't actually got it on the channel for the Tenerife, so why not have a drink and show you why we like it. It's good prices, nothing extortionate. As anyone who's been to Tenerife knows, it's quite affordable, depending on where you go and what you want. So I'm just going to do a little. So this is Tano's Bar. There we go. A little bit of information. This is where we are. Just give people their bearings. Maybe you've walked past it. Maybe you didn't know this area existed. Comment below if you've been here or if you want to come here. So yeah.
Yeah, we've got JC here to play golf.
Yes, Kurt, choosing his drink. Frozen ones are really nice. Very filling, but nice. So yeah, big seating area as you can see. It's a nice little sun trap as well. So we're going to do the inside for you. There all the magic happens. Is this for carnival?
Yeah. It is. Are you going there?
We're not. We go home tomorrow, unfortunately.
Are you recording?
Huh?
Are you record?
Yeah, recording. Yeah.
The carnival's finished on Saturday.
Okay.
You should go there.
Oh, I'd like to, but we literally go home tomorrow morning, so we've got a few things to do here. So we've got a YouTube channel, and then we fly
and
back
going,
out.
Yeah, and go there and going back. Yeah. But it's really, really cool.
Oh, okay.
I'm going on Saturday.
Perfect. So if you are here this time of year, check out the carnival, and it's usually in the capital, isn't it?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Cheers. Have a good time when you go. Bye bye. So we've stayed at the Orlando up there multiple times. Really recommend that complex. Got a nice pool. It's got a little bar area. Is what it is. All different prices because they're sort of privately owned. So if you are looking at booking, I would recommend Orlando, in a really good area. So we're just going to go into Sunset Bay. There we go, you've got Maguire's, kitchen open till 10. So if you've never been to this little area, I would recommend it again. We come here because we often stay at Orlando, so it's a nice little area to stay in. So let's have a look. Let's see Wagwan. So you've got Maguire's Irish bar. Got screens in so you can watch the football or any other sport. Also got the new hockey's bar. The umbrellas are up. There we go. Got O'Malley's. There we go. Nice little seating area. There we go. See what's on in the Sun Inn. We have done another video on this, so do check it out. Been really good food in here. I always feel like one of those cartoons where you just come in and then you get told off for touching the pies, but they look absolutely amazing. All home baked. So really good quality food. You can play pool in here. Really friendly. All the usual things you need. TV screen. Definitely recommend. There we go. Everyone enjoying their food. And then you've got this restaurant here as well, Restaurant Sebastian. Just do a little poke around. There we go. Hello. So we're just going to go up these stairs. And there's more to come. Guys, we've got a nice little pool here. I say little, it's actually not too small. Not too busy today, it's a bit cloudy. Sun was out earlier, but it's still nice and warm. Got a little smaller one there. Let's keep going. So we're just gonna head up here. I did mention it before, but I'll mention it again. There is a place you can actually store your luggage here. So if you have got one of those annoying flights where you've got to be out by sort of 10 in the morning and your flight's not until, you know, later on in the day, it's nice to know that this location you can pay, obviously you have to pay for it, but just their luggage room. So somewhere to store your bags and you can still enjoy the day before you've got to get you home and get your flight. There we go. It is a carnival at the moment, so lots of people are heading to the south. I think these guys are just getting ready for obviously a float. Unfortunately we go tomorrow, so we will not be getting that content. Hola! But yeah, it is carnival, so if you are here during this time of year, I definitely recommend going to Santa Cruz and checking out the carnival. Hola! Hola. So you have Diane's bar. There we go. Dates and times. Book your table today. Birthday party, anniversary, etc. There we go.
This is a bit annoying.
Last time we came here, this one wasn't open, so it's good to see Times Square back up and running. Not that it was closed, but it just wasn't open during the time we videoed, so Times Square. Got Oscar's Bar and Cafe, that was on recently. If anyone still watches it. I just look at the outfits if I'm honest. And then we've got the Hare and Dog, which we really enjoy. Always come to this one. And then you've got the Sunset Bay Club, so I know a lot of people may have actually stayed here. We haven't, so comment below if you have. So yeah, this is a nice little area to come and visit. Lots of little bars. Got a gym there as well. There's a laundrette. Somewhere to store your luggage, pool, all the kind of things that you need. Like I said, all the bars are really friendly, really affordable. Really, really nice little area. And we usually stay at Orlando. We're not staying there this time. So this is sort of like on the doorstep if you're staying in those units. And they're just further out around the corner. And they've got loads of complexes. Different apartments, different rates, because they are sort of privately owned. So depending on what you need and want, I would check that out. You've got an ATM as well. I'll just sort of peer around. So go straight up there, you got Orlando, and then you got everyone getting ready for the carnival. Head back down there, you got the pool, back down towards the Sun Inn, and all those little bars. So I'm going to head back because I've left Kirk nursing a pint without me. How will he cope? I think he'll be all right. So yeah, I just wanted to show you updated March 2025 on a cloudy day, but warm and sunny. And that's the Sun Bay. Really, really nice little area to come and chill out. Lots of options, food, drinks, whatever it is you need. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notifications. Really, really helps us out. Thank you so much for all our support. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gone Raw on behalf of Wagwan Tours. I do have a separate channel, but at the moment everything's on this one. So support really means everything. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye bye.